Kama Studios, Ghana medical students in Cuba. Omo de kata tintin abra His Excellency John Dramani Mahama omusu na omofre president say omra na omeje omusanse sabi de omo arewo omusanse 17 months omonsanka sika wanka wasa omonsaka na nka omotibidi to textbooks and omotibidi transportation de school omonsanka afi so dollar inflation ni enyoma yakoso Cuba no eni enyan afi so omo da bia no sanse omusika emeka omonsa na busuya omo nante 10 to 15 kilometers every single day and so no go school sabi let tintin abeka yansa wa ya bekin kan na de ma atifo ne ahwefo sabi ewe Kama Studios. Don't follow this page when you subscribe here, so make sure to subscribe now if you would be able to also be updates beyond 170 mark. Now later I'm able to join you. An urgent appeal to His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana. We, the executives of the National Union of Ghana Students, NUCS, Cuba chapter, write to inform, write with deep concern and a heavy heart on behalf of our fellow Ghanaian medical students currently studying in Cuba. This is not a statement of protest. It is a desperate plea for intervention in a crisis that has a breaking point. Almost say sabi de okopi mo ye Cuba Ghana suya for mo ankom ko suya de na ankom be doctors akesa kese we ye o maye mu no abusuya omo akoka adwa mu sabi de omo ahochite kese pa mu na salete we de enye protest nye se bia omo protest bi ye be de bia gu abana so nemum omosra ban say aban emra omonsra hwe na aban mabo mo say for the past 17 months our colleagues have not received their stipend for 5 consecutive years. 5 consecutive years. This is too bad. They have been denied the book allowance that is essential for their academic success. Despite repeated appeals to our sponsors, the Ghana Scholarship Secretariat, no meaningful action has been taken. Our letters, calls, and formal requests have gone unanswered or fulfilled. The silence has become deafening, and the consequences are now there. For the past 17 months, 5 consecutive years, I was young Monsanka, Musica, and causing community with two books, with cars, any identical school, no Monsanka, a much more sabre, or more rich to every point and committee me a rich, said the young communion mobi, or more sponsor more Edio Mukupio Cuba, no sabre, or more free, to letters, emails, a whole word, ya court now so unanswered. Just say, Omocho Monucra, Humanium or more sabre. Mohochimpa ewe Cuba na omosra abana abano sabi dia semono enye din pa abusuya sanse 17 months infiunum etoto aso pa na wonsanka wosike bia nka wonsanka wonsaka pa dia na wedding. And we acknowledge that this situation did not originate under the current administration. Omosima sa asemi and started where His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na momos, because we had the past 17 months there Afrina buying waba government Afrina wabu man for the past 9 years 9 months rather, sorry, na 17 months we say 8 months and a start here what I say inti His Excellency the former president now the person start here omonsanka eyesikan gozo omonsanka. However, the severity of the crisis today compels us to appeal directly to His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana. The economic necessities are scarce, and the cost of living has become unbearable. The reality on the ground is heartbreaking. Students are forced to skip unhealthy meals with flies and maggots or survive on bread and water for days. Once na ne nyoma aduane a once na ne nyoma guso ne that day na omomu dia na say say obi adi aka no eno na ye sabre de omo a onkom ko je aduane na nkom abehwe Ghana ye arefo ne ye na ye wonfan ko no bi utie ne ye na nkom abe doctors no sabre omo ne ye once na ene didi ewe ye Cuba or say meal time and school time crash every single day, and students are forced to choose classes over these meals. Oh, just say at the daytime, any school time, ni na be can bom and you may won ran yawa. A thought that crowd with me, Mamuja, at the day, no Makusia dear. Cuba, Adana Motuti and Kofonsa. We walk over 10 to 15 kilometers daily to attend lectures and clinical rotation because they cannot afford public transport. Omo 10 to 15 kilometers esan say omo ni sika ye defa car. Internet access essential for research and communication is often unaffordable. Infinity time so ye data ni ada de abusuan ye say data ho ni boy thing. Students academically isolated without book allowances and rely outdated hand-me downs or photocopies of medical tests and outdated notes from other people, compromising the quality of their education. Several students had fainted during clinical duties due to exhaustion and poor nutrition. Omo ye omo addition krana ebi edwitwa hwepan an esanse chese bre mu nam nyina yo mo ya no ti o chale dwane papa kro mo nya bindi. Mental health struggles are escalating with cases of anxiety, depression and emotional breakdowns becoming increasingly common. Students known to be poor and needy suffering from humiliation, anxiety and depression due to debt owed by Ghana to other foreign country students. Omuchimu a Ghana ye foreign country students bebre ewo ye ho nti enam so ema say omuhu kwa no mubuofu ihu anse kwasia o aban kra de kana o finance be ye na say this is not merely a financial issue. It is a humanitarian emergency. These are young Ghanaians who came here with dreams of becoming doctors to serve their nation. Today, they are fighting just to survive. We the Nooks executive and we the Nooks Cuba executives therefore make this solemn appeal to His Excellency, the urgent intervene and ensure immediate disbursement of all outstanding stipends to restore the book allowances and safeguard the academic integrity of our students, to establish a sustainable and transparent framework and prevent future lapses in student support. Let's every year Ghana medical student a year Cuba na ohwa am say sabre de omo kire omo pa ho difficulties omo form no anweden for the past 5 years almost 17 a year month stepping as guy wasn't come saka no manzan kan afi so mo nante a year 10 to 15 kilometers da bia ku school kusua de modi de munye very bad one munye sika mo books internet e boy den wo ho omuntimi afford mpo na mo de bia research disabre de se yankopon ye omadom mpo na se mutimi esua de pon mo na mo bampo a chese omadu hwemu no obi a okọ no e wo ye Ghana ha kurasi na ba bi kura na education system no form no say nipa no be ade ase omo na ebia nka be ka se omo foreign countries akosua de because the quality of education system no very poor, and then at the same time the treatment that they supposed to get no they are not getting it to we a Ghana medical students in Cuba and omode betudwa kama studio si agegwa de somewhere on this platform. If this is your first time, make sure to subscribe to this platform, follow us on all the social media handles at Kama Studios, and go by the name Sticky the Superstar. And I'm very finally out.